Hello, today is 27th of May, Sunday. Amma is not at home, so basically I just stay in this room doing all my work, all my editing. And for your information, a little bit updates, I almost finished all my daily vlogs editing. Today is 27 and I have edited until 24, which means I have another 3 to 4 including today's vlog to be edited. So might not going anywhere today, just gonna stay in this room. Because of that, today's topic gonna be a food review. Today is a food review on KFC. Well, this is the Nacho cheese. Focus. Yeah, since someone is not at home, I have nothing more to do, so maybe I can try this and give a review. Try this. It's crispy. It's really crispy. The cheese and the chicken, the crispy chicken, is perfect mash. It's really nice to eat. It's definitely worth trying. It's a part of the Asian. This is a leftover rice from yesterday, from last night. So heat it up and mix with chicken. That's my lunch for today. Yeah, of course with the... I'm gonna keep this for my mom. She's not at home right now. I'll make a quick review on this chicken. Nacho Cheesy... I don't know what's the name again. Nacho Cheesy. It's called Nacho Cheesy Crunch. 8 out of 10. Yeah, first the Nacho cheese is really nice, crispy, and these two together is a perfect mash. It's definitely worth trying, and any one of you who are interested, you must go and try it. It's definitely, yeah, a yes, a big yes for me, and I'll rate it 8. So yeah, just go try it. And of course I love cheese, so for me it's okay. If you are not a cheese lover, you might not love it because yeah, it's just too cheesy. Yeah, it's very cheesy. Conclusion, just go and try it. It's definitely nice. It's definitely worth trying. And some more, few days later, there's gonna be 0 GST in Malaysia. So if anyone was staying in Malaysia, you must go and try it. It's called Nacho Cheesy Crunch. No, sorry, nachos. Again, it's called Nacho Cheesy Crunch. It's in KFC. So again, this is not endorsement. I just feel that this is worth trying and worth introduced to you. So go try it. I'm gonna have my lunch now. For those of you who haven't subscribed, here's a link. Like it and share it. I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, just let me have my lunch.
我谁知道他们谁知道没自己，有可能你们就觉得就单张来
这好吃1号烧的这个情况，不知道如果第一碗是